Hello everyone, my name is Meri and again welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I am here at Meri King. Meri King is a hot pot eat all you can kind of restaurant. My mission for today is bring to you the recipe I discovered along the way. My goal is to share you easily find every single recipe I try while having fun exploring a world full of different cuisine, delicious ingredients, and fun flavor I try. Here in Meri King, you can eat all you want, including the hot pot beef Shabu Shabu special menu. If you think any dish with beef must be a heavy one, think it again, because the soup which resembles in the lightest incarnation of beef you tasted, the beef itself in a broth that dance with the bright flavor of lime, ginger and basil is you eat here. When the meat is dipped in the boiling water, the extra fat melts away, making it lighter than regular cooked meat and a rather meat dish. Beef shabu recipe takes the popular food and turn it into a delicious, savory soup. You won't want to go back to your typical shabu recipe once you taste how delicious the shabu soup turned out to be. Shabu shabu is a Korean dish of tiny sliced meats and vegetables boiled in water and served with dipping sauce when the ingredients are stirred in the cooking pot. Usually served with tofu and vegetable, including the Chinese cabbage, onion, carrots, and mushroom. In some places, noodles may also be served. Once the meat and vegetable have been eaten, the soup stock will remain in the pot. The leftover broth from the pot can be customarily combined with the rice. A variety of sauce can be used to dip the meat and vegetable, so customer can make the sauce according to their own preference. Most commonly meat, beef, pork or chicken is used for shabu shabu, but recently there are also increasing variation with vegetable or fish. Food is cooked piece by piece by the dinner at the table. Shabu is considered to be more savory and less than sweet. So how to cook shabu shabu? Some meat, the beef meat, will add some depth to the soup. Add ingredients which need some time to cook, such as carrots, mushroom, and cabbage. Add other more which are fast to cook, such as tofu, green onion, cabbage leaves. Its typical hot pot ingredients included tiny sliced beef meat. At the conclusion of the meal, the broth has acquired many flavors from the added ingredients. It's become popular in Korea. In particular, was very fan of hot shabu and would eat it for almost every meal. It was also known to have enjoyed hot pot shabu, especially in the winter months. It's popular in cold places also because of the aforementioned effects. Due to the high popularity and unique ways of eating, Shabu Shabu has already become the major attraction of the tourism industry in some areas. The growing popularity of Shabu Shabu brings huge economic profits. Therefore, more and more Shabu Shabu restaurants improve their service. The quality and dining environment to attract the consumer, one for that is Meri King. One of the most famous and my favorite hotpot place is Meri King Shabu Shabu. For me, Meri King restaurant, you can eat all you want. They offer many menu. You can choose any menu you want. They serve more than 40 kinds of side dishes. There are many different ways of offering lunch or dinner. A selection of food are called buffet-style meals like Meri King. They display containing table filled with plates containing fixed portion of food. The customer select plates containing whichever dishes they want as they walk along. Meri King Buffet is more free-form kind of restaurant. You can pay a fixed fee and then you can help yourself as much food as you wish to eat. How to go to Meri King Shabu Shabu restaurant? Address 88-20 Gokdong, Songbukdo, Seoul, South Korea. I truly hope you guys enjoy watching my video, and million thanks for your kindness and support. You're all the best friend I called this for. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell button so that you will notify and updated anytime if I have a new video. And please follow me in my other accounts. At Meri Jung 6 in Twitter, Meri Jung 41 in Instagram, and Meri Jung in Facebook. Thank you so much once again. I love you all.